Okay, so you want to invest in stocks but don't know where to start, you can actually start investing with mutual funds instead. So ano nga ba talaga yung mutual funds? So let's talk mutual funds as if we're talking about makeup. So if you invest in mutual funds, it's like buying a full set of makeup instead of buying one product one by one. So instead of just buying lipstick, you are buying a full set, yung meron ng foundation, meron ng blush for eyeshadow. So that is what mutual fund basically is. And with mutual fund, you have like a fund manager. Yung fund manager, sila yung parang aglamti mo with your makeup. So they are the one who manages your fund, diversify it, and to expose it into different industries para ma-manage yung risk niya depende sa klase ng mutual fund na bibilhin mo. So if you're planning to diversify your portfolio and add stock exposure, then I highly suggest you initially visit mutual funds because in that way, the risk is manageable at hindi ka exposed into one industry lang.